Hi, my name is Reagan and this is
Logan.
Today we are going to show you how to clean pennies. So first we are going to need pennies, of course, 2 bowls, salt, vinegar, 1/4 of vinegar, some water, and a spoon.
Mm-hmm.
So first, 4 pennies. We're gonna add.
We just need 4 pennies. I could use more.
The vinegar into our empty bowl.
More. My turn.
And now the salt. Mix it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
A little more salt.
8, 9, 10. And then we add another thing of salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to put the pennies in for 10 seconds. Just put all of them in, Logan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh, they did look pretty shiny. You wanna
This one's bad.
put it in longer.
1.
And if it isn't very good, we just want to put another 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now put half of them in the water.
Now put half of them in the water. 1. Okay, so Logan, count out 4. Because I remember there's 8. I'm going to put 1 in.
I'm gonna put 1 in. 1 in.
Okay, now put those on this paper towel. Line
We're
them
going to
up.
put the other ones onto the paper towel.
And the last salt is on the bottom. Salt is on the bottom.
Okay, now put this right next to it.
Now we're going to put the washed water ones next to it.
Why are they not blue?
Well, this one will stay copper because it's rinsed with water. This side, we have to take a picture later, and it should be greenish blue. So you can end the video, and we'll take a picture to put it at the end.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Welcome to the second part of our video.
And Lion's
If you watched the first part, it was
Lion.
the penny one. It showed us what you had to do.
Lion.
Which side was rinsed with water?
And this was rinsed with water, and this was actually just vinegar and salt. So you see, they have turned green,
Greenish blue.
blue.
And what was created? Like, why is it greenish blue?
Malachite.
Yeah, it created malachite.
He did malachite. So you see, these two are like have the most malachite in them.
And then this side, all the carbon dioxide was removed, and now it's nice and shiny, right?
Yeah.
Good job. This is how you make penny shiny.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Whee!